KoogluPooglu. Hey guys, today we're gonna learn about the digraph CH. If you guys know about your vowels, C and H are consonants and they make a ch sound. CH, the digraph, can be in the beginning of words. It can also be in the end. Don't forget to watch my previous videos on digraphs. So let's go. So here we have CH beginning words. CH. Let's go. Here we have CH and we have AT. If we combine them together, we get chat. Ooh, I'm chatting with my friends. Chat, chat, chat. Can you guys tell what chat means? Chat means you're having a little talk with your friend or someone you know. Or who knows, it might be a stranger. Here we have ch and ip. Oh, this makes one of my favorite foods. It makes chip. We could say chip, chips, or maybe a computer chip. Here we are on to our next word, which is ch and app. This is the beginning of my favorite ice cream brand, Chap. Have you guys ever heard of Chapman's? Chap also means that your skin has weathered or has become dry and cracked due to cold weather or other reasons. Here we got ch and op. Ooh, this is what I do with vegetables when I'm making noodles. I chop them. I chop them up like a pro. On to our next word. Let's go. Here we got ch and in. Ooh, I know this part of the body. It's called a chin. 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 Now we're on to ch and ew. Oh, this is what I always do with my food before I put it down into my tummy. I chew it. Here's a fun fact. If you don't chew your noodles, it might get stuck in there in your tummy. Here we have ch and ill. Oh, this is my favorite thing to do when I'm tired. I just chill. Or it's probably chilly outside, so it's pretty chill outside. Chill. Chill. Here we have ch and ain. Chain. Oh, maybe like a chainsaw or a chain on a bike chain. That's what helps your bike move. Chain. Ch, ain, chain. Ch and air. Oh, I like the gaming type of this one. Chair. Chair. Ooh, gaming chairs are really comfy to sit on. Fun too. Chair. Air. Chair. Here we have ch and alk. I draw with this on the streets. Chalk. Chalk. Here we have ch and eek. Oh, this is another favorite part of my body. My cheek. cheek. I like this part. It looks funny when you squish it together. Cheek. Ch-eek, cheek. Here we have ch and eep. This is when something's maybe not of that good quality and it's also kind of, low priced. Cheap. Cheap. That's pretty cheap. I don't want that toy. Cheap. Ch-eep, cheap. On to our next word. Here we have ch and eat. Oh, I don't like doing this in games. Well, I do it sometimes because it's fun. Cheat. Cheat. Kids, don't cheat. Cheating is not fun. Cheat. Eat, cheat. Never cheat. On to our next word. Ch and A's. Oh, I don't know what this word is. Could you guys tell me? Chase. Oh, I thought it was a different word. I like chasing people. In tag, in grounders, in manhunt. It's so much fun. Chase. On to our next word. Here we have ch and ant. Oh, I like doing this when my favorite sports thing is on. Chant. I like to chant, go team mine, go team me. Like, let's say you're chanting something for your God, or you're chanting for your favorite sports team. So, the next word. Ch and ild. Ooh, I am one of these. Child. We all are children, except for parents who are watching this. You are not part of this category. No parents allowed. Only children. Ch and arm. Ooh, this is one of the parts of my favorite cereal. Charm. Lucky Charms. Now that's making me hungry. Charm. Arm, charm. Here we have ch art. Oh, this is where I put all of my gaming strats, all my sports strategies, and my gaming strategies. A chart. Chart. I really like charts. Chart. Art. Chart. On to our next word. Ch and ease. This is my favorite thing on pizza. And everything. Cheese. Cheese. Mice keep coming chasing after me. There's a mice right there! Ah! Cheese. On to our next word. Ch and est. This is a body part and something where pirates put their treasure. Chest. Chest. A treasure chest and the chest on your body. Chest. Est. Chest. Here we have ch. Also ek. This is what I always do with my work. I check it if it's wrong or right. If it's wrong, I have to do it again. Check. Check. Ek, check. Here we got ch and s. Ooh, I love this game. It's so fun. Chess. I love playing chess with my dad. I want to beat him. He always wins. Chess. Chess. Here we have ch and airy. I like this on my pie. It's my favorite flavor of pie. Ch cherry. Cherry. I like eating cherries too. And don't forget the cherry on top for your ice cream. Or a banana split. Or a sundae. I don't know what else you put it on. Here we have cha and ick. Oh, that's such a cute little chick. Chick. That means a baby chicken. Chick. 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 Now on to cha. Ants. Oh, I love this card game. And I always want to chance. It's a good card game. Really fun. And you could also use it. Hey, I want a chance to play soccer. I want a chance to be goalie. So chance means giving someone else a turn after your turn is done. Or chance. Just like we used our word, we can do it with our turn or chance. We give someone else a chance. Now we're done with the words beginning with CH. Now let's check ones with ending. I know you guys can think of a lot, so please on our Instagram page, write as many as you can think of, except the ones we wrote. If you do, I'm a gun for you. I'm gonna start looking at you. Thump, 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 thump. So, for now, let's get started with our CH ending words. It and ch. Oh, I hate when this happens. Just hate it. Itch. I hate getting an itch. It just itches. Ow, I'm getting one right now. Itch, itch, itch. Ow. Itch, itch. Here we have r. Oh, I like to be this when I grow up. Ch. Because I want to be richy, rich, rich. 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 Imagine how many things I could buy. I could buy a helicopter. I could buy an airplane. Oh, what can I buy? Cars. Trucks. Helicopters. Can't think of a lot of things. Here we have cat and ch. Oh, I love doing this in baseball. Catch. Oh, I love catching that ball. Especially when it's real close to me. Catch. 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 Pat and ch. Oh, I don't like these on my pants. I don't like patches on my pants. They don't look good. Well, I mean, an ice patch could really help if you got hurt. Patch. 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 Hat and ch. Oh, I love when little birdies do this. They hatch. They hatch out of their eggs. Hatch. And this is also a part on the submarine. Now we're on to, drum roll please. Drum, 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 drum. Mat. What will this make? Ch. Match. Match. Ooh, I like this word. I like it when it's a soccer match, a football match, ice hockey match. Or, that's a good match. Red and black are a good match. Now we're on to ma and ch. What does that make? Much? Yes, I got it correct. Much. Much means like, thank you very much. Much means a lot. Like, thank you a lot. Much. 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 Sue? What? And ch. Such. 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 Oh, such. Such can mean like such as, like this. Such. 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 Pit and ch. Pitch. There are two meanings of pitch. There are a lot of meanings. First, you have the cricket pitch. Then you have the baseball pitch or throw. It's like, yeah, there are a lot of meanings for pitch. Hit and ch. Oh, I know this one. Hitch. Hitch means like if your car has a little hitch, car hitch, or let's say, oh, that's a pretty big hitch, or oh, I can overcome that hitch, or it's like a hill. Glit and ch. Oh, I love doing this in my video games. Glitch. Glitch means like to stop like a system, like your computer system just freezes. Glitch, glitch, glitch. Stit, ch. Stitch. Oh, I didn't see that coming. You sneaky little Stitch. Stitching means like sewing or stitching someone's wound up. I wonder what this word's gonna be. Wit and ch. Oh, I don't like these, especially when they come around at my house. Witch. Oh, it's those monsters that fly on brooms. I hate them. They look a little weird. Why do they wear pointy hats and they have a long nose? Probably they wear a long hat because of a long nose. Makes sense. Oh, wit and ch. Not the same word again. Seriously? Witch. Oh, that's a different witch. They both are pronounced the same, but both have different meanings and spelling. This witch means like, which one do you want? Do you want chocolate chip or mint chip? Fat and ch. Oh, I always play this with my golden retriever or my dog. Fetch. Oh, it's so fun. Oh, hi. Go back. Go back to your room, Commander. Now on to the next word. La and ch. Latch. Oh! I know this word. I love this word. Latch. Like securing something to a latch. Like, oh, I'm going to put this and secure it with a latch. A latch is a tool that basically helps things stay together. Scrap and ch. Oh, I hate when these happen. They're pretty painful. Especially you, Commander. You do that a lot. Scratch. I hate when I get a scratch. Or you scratch the walls, like I do sometimes, so I can measure my height. What word is this? Lun? Oh, this is my favorite time of day. My mom always makes something real yummy. Lunch. Speaking of lunch, that's made me hungry. Anyways, catch you guys later. Lunch. 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 Re and ch. Reach. Oh, reach means to reach something. Reach, like reaching to that really yummy sandwich or burger, or reaching for all those yummy chocolate chip cookies. Mar and ch. Oh, I know this. March. This is a month. We all know it's a month. And marching also means like March. That means you're doing like a military version of a walk. Here we have bun and ch. Oh, I have a bunch of these. Like I have a bunch of asparagus. Oh, I have a bunch of popcorn. I have a bunch of toys. That means a lot of things together. Bunch. 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 Friend and ch. Oh, I love learning this in school. French. French is my favorite subject. It's really fun. Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien? Merci. Now we're on to sketch. Oh, I love doing this in my free time. Oh, I love doing this. Sketch. I love sketching. Sketching, you can say it's a type of drawing. That's what sketching means. It's a type of drawing. Sketch. 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 Stretch and ch. Oh, I love doing this before a game of soccer. Stretch. Before sports, it's always good to stretch. I mean, it's good to stretch. Stretch means like pulling something, you're stretching something, just like your body parts and stuff. Speed and ch. Oh, I have to give all of these in front of my classroom. Speech. A speech is basically if you guys know what a paragraph is, it's a paragraph that you have to present to an entire crowd. And that paragraph can sometimes be pretty long. Wa and ch. Oh, I have a really good watch. Man, I wish I had a gold Rolex watch. Sadly, they're too expensive. Some of them even cost as much as a car. Ta or two? Two, ch, touch. One. Oh, it's touch. Touch. Touch means like touching something, like feeling it. Like I'm feeling the chair I'm sitting on right now. Now we're on to tor and ch. Oh, whenever I go camping, always bring one. Torch. A torch is basically like a really big lamp, but like there's fire on it and you have to carry it around. So, that's it. Bye. Don't forget to watch my previous videos. Bye.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye.